55 grain M193 fired from 16-inch barrel at 50 yards.
Ready? You ready?
Nice. This is the damage from XM193. One shot.
Entry hole.
There's the 22 caliber entry hole. And there is the exit.
Look at that. Look at the split.
Complete fragmentation at close range.
So really,
and the inside is really kind of turned to jello. It's not even watermelon anymore. On closer inspection of the XM193 damage, the 22 caliber hole is visible in the back about 3 inches in. The bullet yawed, broke in half, and fragmentation was complete. Damn, that's awesome.
That's freaking incredible.
Little 22.
I mean,